In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync audio with Video Capcut PC. We're working in Capcut's web editor on your computer, so open your browser and head to capcut.com. Once the page loads, look for the option to create a new project. Click Create New to open a fresh workspace. Right away, Capcut will ask you to choose a canvas. This simply means selecting the aspect ratio for your project. Pick the one that matches where your video will be posted, vertical for mobile platforms, horizontal for YouTube, or square if that's your style. You can change it later, but choosing the right one now helps you visualize your edit accurately. Next, open the upload panel, click Upload File, and select the video you want from your PC. Capcut will add it to your media library. If you see a confirmation or upload button, click it to finish bringing the file in. Now repeat that process for your audio. Click Upload File again and choose the audio track from your computer. Capcut supports common formats, and bringing both files in before you start will make the next steps straightforward. With both files in your library, add them to the timeline. Click the video to place it on the main video track, then click the audio to place it on the audio track below. You should now see two tracks stacked in the timeline. By default, Capcut positions them at the start, which is perfect for most edits. If your video has no meaningful audio of its own, this setup keeps things clean and easy to manage. Now let's match the length so your audio cleanly finishes with the video. Move the timeline indicator, also called the playhead, to the very end of the video clip. You can drag the indicator or click near the end of the timeline and it will snap close to the edge. This tells Capcut exactly where you want to cut the audio. With the playhead at the end of the video, select the audio track and use the split tool to cut it at that point. You'll see the audio split into two pieces. Click the extra tail after the split and delete it. This trims any leftover audio so it doesn't continue past your video's last frame. Press play to preview from the start and make sure the audio begins when the video begins and ends precisely with it. If everything looks good, you've successfully synced your audio with your video in Capcut on PC. That's it. Quick, clean, and ready for your next edit.